So, for example, Canva, an international company,
Yeah.
they've been working with us for about, I think, now about 2 years or so,
Wow.
and they've had recently some change in some plan post the AI,
Yeah.
the Canva Pro or something. Uh, but imagine them reaching out to millions of Indians at scale
Yeah.
via a short form video and telling them that, hey, this is a free to use and an easy to use app in which you can do a lot of things, right?
Yeah.
And remember the boundaries between today, the boundary between a creator and a user of a short form video is also blurring. So I
Absolutely.
may be a consumer of short form video during the day,
And I,
and at in the evening late night I may end up posting something also, right?
yeah,
And because that boundary those boundaries are blurring, it is also interesting for companies like Canva to approach people,
absolutely.
because you never know that Mukesh is also a creator and he
Yes,
may be interested in such a thing.
absolutely. No, that's
So I
true.
think, yeah, it's quite broad based.